Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. So because many of you asked how to use OmniBlocks to scrape the same website and to synchronize basically the results from it, so you can use for this multiple OmniBlocks is the answer. So if you want, for example, to scrape Wired for this article and use this in OmniBlocks to process this data, you will need to do the following. So I have here this article. Let's copy its URL, paste it in the keyword section of the OmniBlocks from Automatic, and let's delete all the default OmniBlocks and add back scrape sites OmniBlock 2 times. So the first OmniBlock will process the title and the second the content of the article. So we move the scrape sites article before the publish post, and let's rename that scrape title and scrape content of the article. So I added the article URL in the keywords field. So because of this, I can use the keyword shortcode, which will be replaced by the URL of the article. Now let's set up pretty quickly to instruct the plugin that, hey, let's scrape only the title. So let's copy the class which is from this post title. So let's highlight it here in the console, and we will be able to set it. So search query selector set class and query string paste what we copied from the HTML, and the same should be done with the content, but in this case let's inspect the content, and we will see that if we hover our mouse here, the entire text is highlighted. So this is what we will need. So class body inner container is the second part of what we need. So the first part is the OmniBlock, which scrapes the title. The second one scrapes the content. So now let's remove the default settings from here and scrape content AD. This is the OmniBlock with ID AD, which scrapes title. And the second one for post content, we will need to use content AC. So use these shortcodes, and afterwards all we have to do is remove the default DALI shortcode which sets the featured image, save settings. And now we can go ahead and run scraping. So the great part of this is that we got the post. Here it is, to build a better AI supercomputer, and the content was also scraped. And on the front end it looks like this. Okay, so the great part is that Automatic and the OmniBlocks feature is not just a scraper, but instead it is a very powerful tool which can also process the AI content using many AI models. So for example, we scrape the title, we pass the result of the scraped title, so using this shortcode to the prompt, and let's say rewrite this title and make it more engaging, and we pass the scrape title. And instead of using the content AD shortcode to create the post title, we will use the AI text ID 5 shortcode, which this OmniBlock generates. So for the title we will use the AI text 5. So let's save now, and let me show you the power of OmniBlocks. This is just a small example, as I will be using this to create a post. So if the yellow diamond appears, then the process each keyword only once checkbox is checked for you. So uncheck it to make the plugin process keywords also multiple times. So this is important, uncheck that. Okay, so now we will be checking on the front end of our page. Let there be light, creating the ultimate AI supercomputer, and the original title, to build a better AI supercomputer, let there be light. So the AI changed this. title. Okay, so this is how you can scrape the same website multiple times, and don't bother with thinking that the website will be scraped multiple times, because the plugin scrapes the site only once, and it detects that there are multiple OmniBlocks referencing the same website, and it will scrape the site only once, even if you add 100 OmniBlocks scraping the same website or URL. Okay, so this being out of the way, let me show you that Aimatic is linked in this video description. If you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye bye.